Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get anti-cheat for a minehut server. So far as I know, the anti-cheat that I'm going to be showing you how to get today works up to 1.20 and a lot of historical versions as well. So first thing you want to do is log into minehut. Then you're going to want to start up your server and go manage servers, the first step. Next we're going to go into add-ons, and the anti-cheat that I would recommend is probably Grim AC. So just type in Grim in the search bar of the add-ons over here, and you should see over here it'll tell you which ones are incompatible and which ones are compatible with your server. Grim anti-cheat is compatible with most servers, I believe, all the way from 1.8 to 1.20, so that's a pretty wide range of different versions supported here. Then you're just going to go ahead and click download. And that's going to take you to the Grim anti-cheat download page. Then you're going to want to hit this little button here that you can see over here, download now. You just hit this download now button, and it'll give you a prompt of where you want to save the .jar file. So I'm just going to save it to the desktop, like so, and that should download really quite fast, very fast indeed. And that's all we need to download. Next, what we're going to want to do, what we're going to want to do is go into the file manager up here. So just scroll up and click on the file manager. Scroll down until you see a folder which should be called plugins. Here we go, plugins. So you're going to want to click on the plugins folder, and I've already got the grim.jar file in here because I've already downloaded it here. But if I just minimize this tab here, I'll just show you what you need to do in order to get it to work. So we've got the grimac.jar file on our desktop here. Basically what you do is just drag the .jar file of the anti-cheat into the plugins folder and it would download. I'm not going to do it now because I've already got it in here and I don't want it to double up and do weird stuff. But that's what you'd do. Pretty straightforward, and then you just have to go ahead and restart your server. Obviously I've already got it, so I'm not going to do that, but you would just go ahead and restart the server. So what I'm going to do next, if I just get rid of this display capture here, I'll just show you how to use the Grim client real quick. I'll just bring up my Minecraft over here. Put a game capture. So I'm on the server right now. As you can see, I'm the only one online right now. The Grim anti-cheat, the commands are just /grim. So you do /grim, and then you just do a space, and there's a bunch of commands. So alerts. I believe this one will tell you, this will toggle whether or not you get alerted to someone breaking the rules, hacking, you know, flying spider. It blocks tons and tons of different hacks, I think. Not sure about X-ray. I'm not sure about X-ray. It should block X-ray. But you can always use /grim spectate. So if you do /grim spectate and then a player's name, obviously you can't spectate yourself, but if there's someone else on here, you can use the Grim command to spectate them and see whether or not they're X-raying based on their tunneling patterns, I guess. And obviously to get a list of all the commands, you just do /grim help, and that'll give you a list of all the different commands, not all of them, but most of the different commands that you'd be using. So debug, help, profile, this sort of just shows you a bunch of extra stuff. And yeah, that's how you get anti-cheat for minehut servers as of 1.20, I believe. Yeah, thanks for watching and have a nice day. This took me so long to figure out. I don't know why. It took me like half an hour to an hour to figure out how to do this, but eventually I got around to it. And now you don't have to go around doing what I did, going through a bunch of tutorials that don't show you how to actually get an anti-cheat on a minehut server. Yeah, thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.